Welcome aboard, folks. Today, I am back with another magical AI tool that can turn a normal image into a cartoon. Isn't that exciting? Yes, it is. Now let's dive deep into this magical AI tool and see how you can transform a normal image into a cartoon image. But before that, do subscribe to our channel for more exciting tools that can change your life and make it much easier. Let me introduce you to our new tool. We are going to use Playground AI, the ultimate tool that can work magic on your regular pictures. This tool is absolutely free to use. You will find the link below in the description. Open the link. Once you're on their website, click on the Sign In option right here and sign in with your Google account. After you have logged in, switch to the Board tab by clicking here. Now, scroll down and you will see the Image to Image option. Click on the plus button and select the image you would like to cartoonize. Now, let's create the prompt using ChatGPT. Type this prompt here and ChatGPT will generate an image generation prompt. You will find the prompt in the description below. Copy the prompt from here and paste it into the Playground AI prompt box. Click on the Generate option. While the tool works its magic, feel free to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Here's an AI booster for you. Did you know that AI can be used for natural language processing? Natural language processing is the ability of machines to understand and interpret human language. This technology is already being used in chatbots and voice assistants. Now, let's get back to our results. Look at those awesome pictures. They were created within minutes. Simply click on the download option and the image will be saved to your device. Thanks for watching.